Hello everyone, today we're gonna look at some adventure holidays. First we're gonna learn some vocabulary items for adventurous activities, then we'll learn some short phrases for agreeing and disagreeing. So let's get started. Adventure, an unusual or exciting experience. For example, she traveled the world in search of adventure. Adventurous, willing to take risks, try new ideas, enjoying being in new situations. For example, for more adventurous tourists, there are trips into the mountains. As you all know, travel agencies are offering various activities these days. Now, let's have a closer look at these unusual activities. Mountain biking, snowboarding, skiing, diving, horse riding, island cruise, wildlife watching, snorkeling, sea kayaking, whitewater rafting, mountain trekking. Now listen to the conversation between Simon and Diana. While listening, take notes using the note-taking sheet you were given.
So, Diana, any thoughts?
I think the Antarctic wildlife cruise is a great idea. I like that activity.
So do I. It's unusual, and everyone loves penguins. It's certainly something for older customers.
I agree with you. I also think it's a good activity for our main customers.
Do you? I disagree. Our main customers like very adventurous activities. A cruise isn't very adventurous, is it?
Well, it's not adventurous, but it is something new, and whale watching is great.
Yes, you're right. So, are there any problems?
Well, the holiday season seems very short.
I see. How long is it?
It's only 4 months long. I don't like that.
No, neither do I. It means we can't sell a lot of holidays. Okay, what about the other adventure?
In the mountains? Well, let's see. They can go walking and horse riding in the mountains. I don't like those activities.
Don't you? I do. Horse riding's always popular, and everyone can go walking.
Well, I disagree with you. I think they're very boring.
Well, I think those activities are fine, especially if we want new customers who are first-timers. Everyone can do those activities.
Well, everyone can read. But that doesn't mean we want to offer trips to a library, does it? Anyway, what about the weather? It says it's windy. That's not so good.
You're right about the weather.
So I think there are a few problems.
I understand. But the Antarctic cruise is very different. Perhaps this is a good place for older customers and first-timers. Let's look at the other places, then decide.
Okay, so where are the other destinations?
So while listening to the conversation, you heard some expressions like so do I, neither do I. These are the expressions that we use to agree with someone. Now, let's have a closer look at these expressions. So, I like ice cream is a positive sentence. If you want to agree with this statement, you can say so do I. Because the verb like is in the present tense, we use do. Use the word so followed by do and then the subject. So do I. Another example is, I think that English is difficult. If you want to agree with this statement, you can say, so do I. Now, let's move on to agreeing with a negative sentence. I don't like fish is a negative statement. If you want to agree with that, you can say, neither do I. So you don't like fish and your friend doesn't like fish either. You say, neither do I. As the verb is in the present tense, again, we use do. So, agreeing is easy, but you have to be very careful when you disagree with someone. If you are too direct, you might destroy the relationship with the person you disagree. To express a different opinion from someone else, you can politely say, "I'm afraid I don't agree," or "I disagree with you." You can also apologize before introducing your disagreement. So you can say, "I'm sorry, but I have to disagree." Here is another way of disagreeing. "I don't think horse riding is boring. Don't you?" "I do." Or, "I think whale watching is great. Do you?" "I don't." As you can see, there is a reaction to a negative statement and a positive statement here. So the speakers do not agree with each other. So guys, you have some homework today. It is to write 5 sentences using neither do I, so do I. I will see you soon for another lesson. Bye!